Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel. So today's job notification has come from McKinsey and Company. So it is a very good company. All of you have a knowledge of this McKinsey and Company. It is a large company and also a good IT industry. We will discuss in detail. So they are hiring freshers for the junior research analyst position. Any degree can apply for this job. So we are discussing it now. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel. So the job profile name is Junior Research Analyst and job department is Indian Research and Insights. Your working location will be Gurgaon, Gurugram. Degree needed is any degree. Experience needed is freshers. Qualification they are asking for bachelor degree from a reputed institute, strong written and verbal communication skill, broad understanding of business and general trends and issues, comfort with business concepts, proficiency with Excel, Word, PowerPoint, excellent problem solving, analytical, quantitative skills, entrepreneurial and a self starter who enjoy the challenges, rewards, willing to work in a highly demanding request, result oriented team advantage, strong multitasking abilities, professional attitude and service orientation, team player. So all of these you have to have in you inside you. So if you're really interested, then you can go through the notification. What you will do there, your work will be a fellow researcher there. In this role you will help McKinsey team determine to the most appropriate solution by leveraging global electronic databases. You will possess and build understanding of industry trends. During the entire process you will be a good strong use judgment, problem solving skills, business. So all these things you have to go through once again, and if you're really interested then click on apply link. So it will be redirecting to the application website of McKinsey. So you have to accept the cookies. Then you can see the job position name Junior Research Analyst India. So just you can go through once again the notification I have already mentioned. So who can work with or who you will work with, it is the details about this company. So you can once again go through this thing. So just click on apply now if you're really interested. Then by clicking on apply now, the form will be open to you. So this is the application form, your dashboard it will be. So you have to upload your resume here. Then you can create your account, or if you have account then just you need to log in here. So just click on already have an account, then just click on give your email password, then log in. Then if you are a new candidate then you have to upload your resume there. So after uploading your resume your account will be generated. So that is the thing, that the way you can apply for this particular job position. So it is a research fellowship program, so any degree can apply for this job. I think you can go for it. So if you like this job then share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Job Updates by Verma. You can also follow me in my Instagram profile Job Updates by Verma. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.